I've actually installed it so deep, this part, that the amount of little bit of give that's in the lock before it locks, which is that, allows this to clear it. So it's actually not even locking anymore, which is great. So being charged for fitment of a lock in our service charge that doesn't even lock, because that's how close it is. And there's obviously a little bit of flex in that, which they all have, but this plate is sunk too deep. Should be right over. So yeah, that's great.